good evening po, mayantong po ni atin tamong guest nga ni kaya katamo pong vlog, John. Say hi, John.
Hello po.
Atin tapong core word niya ni. Yung pong word mo is
Abe.
Abe. Yung rin na pong sabyan ng abe is to accompany, to be together, or companion. Gamitan tayo po king words in abe.
Abe abe.
Means all together.
Maki abe.
Means to join.
Ing abe ku.
My companion.
Pami abe abe.
Fellowship. Yan po paggamit tayo kan John yung word na abe in a sentence.
Abe abe tamong mangan.
Let's eat together.
Bisa kang maki abe.
Do you want to join?
Ing pam me abe abe tamong malalum.
Our fellowship runs deep. Ito po, mayari niya po yung kakatamong learning Kapampangan words. Sana po ting kayong abalo. Thank you, John, for joining us tonight. Kaya biya tayo pa po, John, kaya tutukitang vlog. At sana po marakal kayo pa abalo kaya kami. Okay, until next vlog po. Bye!
Bye-bye. Abe abe pa mi tamong maangan. Ayun doon.